Okay, in this video, I'm going to be making a $3,500 purchase for this particular company, and the reason why I'm doing it is because it is a dividend paying stocks. Hey, but if you're new to the channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I document my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the market's about to close actually, and I'm gonna go ahead and touch on the Robinhood app. I made a video showing where I deposited money into my account the other day, and I deposited $3,500. So right now you can see my balance is $3,500 at 21 and 88 cents. I'm gonna make a purchase with this particular company, Starwood Property Trust, because this is a dividend paying stock. So I'm just going to, instead of buying a certain amount of shares, I'm just going to buy $3,500 worth of shares. So I'll just put in 3,500, then I'm going to click review, and then I'm going to swipe up. Now, initially, I think I had my shares were like $18.65. So making this purchase actually will bring my average cost up higher than what it was. So I think I was initially at $18.65 for the first chunk of shares that I had, and making that purchase just brought my average cost from like $18.65. I'm not exactly sure, of course, because I didn't check, but it brought it from $18.65 up to $18.74. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys where it was when I bought it initially. So right here, I scrolled down to my history, and I'm going to click on where it says market buy for January 8th. So I'm clicking on that. And as you can see, yep, I bought some shares. I bought $1,700 worth of shares, and I bought basically 91 shares, 91.16 blah 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 shares for $18.65. So this purchase that I made today of $3,500 right here, as you guys can see, $3,500, and the order was filled at I have 186.36, so on and so forth, and I paid $18.78. So that brought my average cost for the stocks that I currently have right now. It brought it up from $18.65 to $18.74. Now, of course, that's not a good thing per se, but I'm not worried about that. This is a stock that's definitely going to go up in the future. And one of the main reasons why I decided to get it is because right there on the screen, you can see the dividend yield is 10.25. Actually, one of the easier apps to use to get a better snapshot of the dividends is Webull, and I'll show you guys that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up on Webull here because, of course, I was looking at this. So if you pull it up on Webull, same stock, same ticker symbol, STWD. So when you pull it up, and I click on press releases here, and I'll scroll down, it says dividend per share 48 cents. And then, of course, the declaration date was back in December. Then the ex-dividend date is December 30th. And, of course, the payout is going to be January 15th. Now, I'm actually not going to get any money on this particular payout because I did not own any shares of this particular stock before December 30th. So I'm actually not going to get the payout. But one of the things that I think is really incredible is the fact that this stock has paid dividends for a very, very long time. So of course I pulled up Nasdaq.com, and I'm looking under the dividend history, right? So I clicked on dividend history on the screen, and it will show you currently the ex-dividend date. It'll show you the dividend yield, and it tells you the annual dividend, which is around $1.92. So of course, this company pays quarterly. So that simply means that, of course, if you get 4 payments or whatever, that the annual dividend should be about around $1.92. So as you can see here, this has just about everything you need to know as far as the dividend payments. I mean, if I scroll down, you see 2019, you see 2020, there are 4 payments there. There are 4 payments in 2019. There are 4 payments in 2018. There are 4 payments in 2017. There are 4 payments in 2016. And so this company has paid dividends for quite some time, which is another reason why I decided to go with them. And also because the dividend payment is so high. So I'm going to pull back up Robinhood here just to log in. So now the market is, closed, but it's really after hours. There's still trading going on after hours right now. Because it's past 3 o'clock Central Time in Houston. Today was a good day overall. So I'm, supposedly I was up $1,400 today in the market, just to kind of show you guys, give you guys a brief overview. Now, I do have $21.08 remaining. That's going to be a separate video where I actually got a dividend payment for one of my accounts that I have. So I'm going to save that information for another video, but I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys that I was making a purchase in regards to this particular stock, the Starwood Property Trust. And once again, I'm confident that this stock is going to go up. And I've certainly enjoyed the fact that it is a dividend paying stock. So as you guys can see here with the stats, it shows you that the 52-week high in the last 52 weeks, that it's been up to $26.33. Then, of course, it also shows you the 52-week low. This stock continued to pay people dividend even throughout 2020 when we had, of course, coronavirus. Well, we still have coronavirus right now. So anyway, that's very encouraging. This is a pretty solid company, and that's why I decided to jump on that. But I wanted to get on here and make a video showing you guys an actual purchase where I actually spent $3,500 on a dividend paying stock. When I first got started in the stock market, I shouldn't say first got started because that was like 2016, and I lost quite a bit of money, maybe like $4,000 or $5,000. I'll show you guys at some point. But yeah, I started back then, and then I kind of restarted in May 2020. And so I've lost a substantial amount of money since May 2020, but I'm finally kind of etching my way back up there. And so stocks that I'm investing now are more stocks that are going to be dividend paying stocks, because that's kind of where I am now. I'm not really trying to make quick short money because I was kind of turned off by all the failing that I did in the beginning, which was around May 2020 all the way till about, I don't know, August, September. So I'm no longer trying to make short money. I'm trying to make long money, and dividend paying stocks are a good way to go. So once again, I wanted to make this video just to kind of show you guys, that I actually am spending my money, the $3,500 purchase with that particular company. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps tremendously. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and feel free to share this video and channel with somebody that will benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.